missing number, the answer. So we are going to see the answer. In this question, we are using 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. And then next 3 plus 5 is 8. And then 8 plus 2 plus 3 is 5. This is 5. And then 3 plus 5 is 8. And then 5 plus 8 is 30. So next 30. 8 plus 13 is 21. Then this is the answer. 13 plus 21. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer is 34. So in this question, we have to find the missing number. In this question, you have to look at opposite. So 3 opposite is 12. So you have to multiply by 4. 3 4s are 12. And then here you have to find. So 4 after 5. 4 5s are 20. So 20 is the answer. Here 6 after 7. 6 7s are 42. Here 10. Next number is 11. So 10 11s are 110. Like that. Find the missing letters. First, you have to write the letters G to M. So G, H, I, J, K, L, M. So here what is the trick is G. Now it J, M. They are skipping 2 letters. H, I skipped, K, L skipped. So the same, right from A, B, C skipped, A, B, C, D, E, F, and then G. So the right answer is G. Here P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. So the answer is G.